Hello and welcome to this video. If you're trying to use your camera on websites using Google Chrome on your mobile device but it's not working, don't worry. Today, I'll walk you through the exact steps to enable your camera in Google Chrome Mobile. Open Google Chrome on your mobile phone. Tap on the three dots located in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Scroll down the settings list until you find Site Settings and tap it. Now, scroll down again until you see the option labeled Camera. Tap on Camera. Finally, toggle the switch to turn it on. This will allow websites to request access to your camera when needed. And that's it. Your camera is now enabled in Google Chrome Mobile. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Let us know in the comments if you need help with anything else.